The CAN lines include the TXT and RXT lines, whose outside is shielded. The TXT and RXT lines for communication. TXT means transfer data, while RXT means receiving data. Thus, when measuring the combined resistance, you must measure CN44 and CN45, the communication lines that connect devices. Dusen machines are equipped with a DMS connector which enables the combined resistance to be measured at terminals 4 and 5. The controls between each device are transmitted as data. If the data values are even slightly abnormal, control cannot be performed properly. The data communication lines are braided and shielded with foil to reduce noise caused by external magnetic forces and to ensure precise transmission and receipt of data. Without a shield, abnormal signals occur in the transmitted data due to electromagnetic noise, which may cause devices to malfunction. Shielding can also prevent electromagnetic interference resulting from radio signal lines. Radio or TV communication lines also use the same shield. Measure terminals 4 and 5 on the DMS check connector. The key must be turned off while taking measurements. If the CAN lines are connected properly, the measured resistance should be 60 ohms. In the event that there is a deviation or abnormal value, inspect the CAN lines. Remove the rubber cover on the EPOS behind the seat. Use a crosshead screwdriver to unbolt the EPOS cover. Remove the EPOS cover. Remove the bracket mounting bolts on the EPOS. Remove the EPOS bracket mounting nuts. While removing the EPOS bracket mounting nuts, make sure the nut does not fall under the cover. Carefully remove the EPOS mounting bracket. Remove all of the connectors connected to the EPOS. The connectors can only be removed by pressing down firmly on the mounting clips on the connectors with your thumb. Put the EPOS in a safe place where it is easy to measure. The EPOS connectors as seen on the circuit diagram are shown on the screen. The locations with an EPOS resistance of 120 ohms on the screen are CN48 and CN45. However, in reality, you need to measure CN412 and CN44. We see on the screen that both measured terminals use the CN4 connector. First, look for the CN4 connector on the EPOS. Once you have found the CN4 connector, look for pin numbers 4 and 12 next. Now, adjust the tester to the resistance and measure the resistance. Before taking any measurements, the tester needs to be checked first to ensure that the measured value of the tester is reliable. Be sure to use a tester with a small margin of error. Normally, it should not exceed 120 ohms by more than plus or minus 1 ohms. If it does, visually check the PCB and the EPOS. Do not forget to reassemble the connectors with the EPOS. To assemble them, simply align them and push them into place without pressing the button.